Welcome to the latest Shopify Store Design Hacks for the 2023. So stay tuned to the full Shopify store with these amazing tips. Let's get started. Whether you are just starting out or looking to revamp your store, these design hacks will help you to Shopify store stand out in this 2023. So step in hack number 1, minimalistic aesthetics. Now this is an example of a minimalistic Shopify store design. So as you can see, it comes with something really easy. That is actually the hack number 1, the minimalistic aesthetics. Let's see another design. So embrace a minimalism. A clean, uncluttered layout is key. Use ample white spaces, simple navigations, and high quality images to enhance user experience. So check out here. We have something truly easy here. There are let's say stuff here that can be used. For example, quick and short animations. We don't have so much more elements. We don't have what we want to see, and in a very easy way. Try to optimize, of course, your photos to optimize here. The shopping elements here, your animations, all of this should be really active and subtle. Now hack number 2, the mobile optimization. So optimize for mobile. With most shoppers using their phones, ensure your design is mobile friendly. Test loading times, button sizes, and readable on mobile devices. If you go here into your Shopify store when you are setting up your actual stuff, your website, you wanted to make sure that before you publish this, you click into the shopper site that says mobile, and inside this mobile you wanted to see how it's going to be looking into a mobile device. So check out the interactions, check out the sizes, check out the sticky head-ups. Maybe you wanted to unscroll this and separate a line when I scroll a little bit down into an actual mobile stuff, so you wanted to make your mobile friendly as much as you can. Now hack number 3, unique branding. Now check out this actual website. This website was generated and created with Shopify as well. This is for unique branding. You wanted to use unique colors, unique fonts, and logos that reflect your brand identity. Consistency across your store creates a memorable shopping experiences. Now check this out. They are actually keep it consistent. Fonts, colors, and logo are truly something easy into this actual website, and it's actually looking really great. So you know these guys are actually moving and focused into ugly holiday sweaters, outrageous holiday stuff, shopping into bestseller shirts, tanks, books, home decor. Check out these green colors, white colors, yellow colors. So this is actually something that for branding, it is truly awesome, and it's actually like one of the greatest examples that we have so far. Hack number 4, engaging product displays. So as we checked out a few Shopify websites, check out once again that you have the engaging product displays. So use high quality images, 360-degree views, or only videos if you can do it. So for example, let's say allow customers to see the product in detail. This one will be boosting their confidence to purchase a few products. So if you have only one image, try to add something like a zoom, for example. Try to add more angles, more ways to see your product. If there's possible stuff that you can have like a really zoom of your measurement of like a video, you wanted to add it. Encourage people to actually see everything about your actual products. Now hack number 5, social proof and reviews. As we all saw, reviews are actually the most important thing when it comes to confidence. So incorporate social proof, display customer reviews, ratings, and user-generated content prominent. Now, of course, this builds trust and encourages new customers to buy. So check out, you can highlight the positive reviews and UCG here. For example, perfect fit for a perfect day. This lady imported their own photos here. Really nice shirt, verified. So you wanted to make sure that you have really high 5 stars, but maybe you wanted to add like a 4 stars there. So you wanted to actually have really more than just great reviews, true reviews, exceptional reviews. So for example, this one, exceptional services. There we go, an actual image. So you wanted to highlight this inside your actual website. Truly important to that. And lastly, just implement these hacks can be simply enhanced your Shopify store. We have seen that there's a lot of websites that were created with Shopify. Some of them do a really great work, And why they actually come by direct link is that they actually know what they're actually doing. All their branding information comes inside there. So the colors, the font, everything should be specified into their website. And this is the reason why there's a lot of customers into these websites daily. So you wanted to implement these hacks so your website can be one of these great designed website that not only looks good but also drives truly great sales. So if you find these hacks helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, for more content. You can comment below with your favorite hack. We can see you out there, hopefully, with a new video of Shopify. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.